Welcome back, fellow learners, to another enlightening session here at LearnCity, where we unravel the secrets of web development. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey into the heart of the Zend Framework, its module system. In this course, we'll cover an overview of the module system, components of module system, and module class to solidify our understanding. Get ready to discover the power and versatility of modular web application development. Imagine building a web application like assembling a puzzle, with each module representing a unique piece that fits seamlessly into the whole picture. That's the beauty of the Zend Framework's module system, a robust architecture designed to streamline development and enhance scalability. At its core, the module system comprises three vital components. Firstly, Module Autoloader, your trusty navigator in the world of modules. This component hunts down and loads modules from various sources, including far archives, ensuring that your application stays organized and efficient. Secondly, Module Manager. Think of it as the conductor of a symphony, orchestrating a harmonious flow of events for each module. From initialization to execution, the Module Manager ensures that every module plays its part seamlessly. Thirdly, Module Manager listeners, the unsung heroes behind the scenes. These listeners stand ready to respond to the Module Manager's call, performing tasks like module resolution and dynamic loading with precision and finesse. In the realm of Zend Framework, MVC web applications are the norm, and modules are the building blocks of this architectural masterpiece. Picture your application as a bustling metropolis, with each module representing a distinct district, contributing its unique functionality to the urban landscape. To navigate this modular landscape effectively, you need to understand the anatomy of a module. From configuration files to public assets, source code to tests, and views to controllers, the structure is akin to a well-organized city, with every component serving a specific purpose and contributing to the overall functionality. The module class is a beacon guiding the way. By adhering to naming conventions and namespace standards, this class ensures seamless integration with the Zend Framework ecosystem. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of your modules and harnessing their power. In our next tutorial, we'll roll up our sleeves on the Zend Framework's application folder. That concludes our exploration of the Zend Framework's module system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Keep coding.